WhatsApp has introduced chat lock feature recently. If it's not in your WhatsApp, you should update WhatsApp on your phone first. Let me show you how to lock and unlock specific user chat on WhatsApp. To lock any user chat on WhatsApp, first, you need to click the specific chat that you want to lock. And again tap open the user chat window, like this. Next scroll down the screen. Here you have this chat lock tab. Click open and enable the toggle button. And next, you can use any security option on your phone. It can be fingerprint, pattern, or the password method. Once security option is authenticated, like the WhatsApp user chat will be locked. Any user chat that have been locked won't be visible when we open WhatsApp on our phone. To view them, we need to scroll down the screen to the bottom, like this. And here, we will be able to view all the locked user chats on WhatsApp. Only by authenticating the security option, one can open these locked user chats. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please like, subscribe and comment on my video. And do not forget to click the bell icon to get more updates when we add new content.